Hi there, my name is Alice and today we're going to learn the most useful words and phrases you need to know to go to the pharmacy. Let's start. The first word we're going to look at today is prescription. Prescription is a written order from your doctor for a specific medication. So when you go to a doctor, the doctor gives you a paper. So this paper is a written order for your medication. For example, my doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics to treat my infection. Not all the medication needs a prescription. So those pills or medicine that can be purchased without any prescriptions are called over-the-counter. So over-the-counter we call the medication that you can buy without any prescription, without any written order from your doctor. For example, I need some over-the-counter pain medication for my headache. The next word is generic. Generic is all the medication that it's not branded, and it's usually cheaper than its brand name version, and it's more affordable. For example, do you have a generic version of this medication? It's usually more affordable. The opposite of generic is brand name. It's all the medication that is marked under a specific brand name. For example, I prefer the brand name version of this medication because it works better for me. The next useful word is dosage. Dosage is the amount of medication that you need to take. So this is amount of medication which is prescribed and recommended by your doctor. For example, what is the correct dosage of this medication? I want to make sure I take it correctly. The next phrase is side effects. Side effects are all unintended effects of a medication you are taking. So before taking any medicine, make sure that you know about side effects that can occur if you take this medicine, because these side effects, they occur in addition to the desirable effects. For example, I'm experiencing some side effects from this medication. Is it normal? The next word is allergy. Sometimes we can have allergy to certain medication. Allergy is an adverse reaction to a substance that is normally harmless. For example, I'm allergic to penicillin. Can you recommend me any alternative antibiotics? The next word is refill. Refill is a request to fill a prescription that has already been filled previously. For instance, I need to refill my prescription for my allergy medications. The next word is pharmacist. Pharmacist is a licensed healthcare professional who prepares and dispenses medications. So this is a person who works in a pharmacy. For example, can I speak with a pharmacist about the best medication for my condition? The next word is insurance. Insurance is a system of protection against financial loss due to some unforeseen circumstances such as illness. For example, does my insurance cover the cost of this medication? So if you've got a medical insurance, sometimes the insurance can cover partially or completely the cost of your medication. I hope you've enjoyed the video. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.